I'm not looking for a friend. I'm looking for a Jedi Master.
Jedi Master? Yoda. You seek Yoda.
Yoda?
Clear your mind of questions. You must unlearn what you have learned. The Jedi's strength flows from the Force. That is the way of things. For my ally is the Force, and the powerful ally it is. Its energy surrounds us, binds us, and binds us. Luminous beams are we, not this true master. You must feel the Force around you, between you, me, and sleep. My ally is the Force, and the powerful ally it is. Its energy surrounds, binds us. The Force. Adventure, excitement. A Jedi craves not these things. For 800 years have I trained Jedi. A Jedi's strength flows from the Force. Luminous beams are we, not this true master. You must feel the Force around you, between you, me, and sleep. Feel the Force. Feel the Force. Feel the Force around you. Feel the Force unlearn what you have learned. Only a fully trained Jedi with the Force as his ally will conquer Vader if you choose the quick and easy path. You will become an agent of evil. Luminous beams are we, not this true master. You must feel the Force around you, between you, me, and sleep. Forever sleep. Twilight is upon me. Soon light must fall.